Hello everyone, I am your host You Queen, and we are connected on a cat.io platform. My today topic, new project, Alan. Okay, and thank you so much everyone joining my live stream. Big thanks. Please like, follow, share everyone. Okay. New project. LNFI network, LN trading pair coordinates Fin trading to Shemes Golden eggs and a share dollars 100,000 LN. Okay, 2025 7 25 10 3 UTC 36,169 views. Get launch the LNFI network, LN trading fair. Join the fun by Samishing golden eggs to win trading balls and a share dollars 100,000 in LN rewards. The more changes to Samus golden egg, the higher the probability of winning big prizes. Click the button below to participate now. Okay, and thank you so much everyone joining my live stream. Big thanks. Please like, follow, share, and join now. Join now about LNFI network. LN learn more. Okay, event period July 25 2025 10th a.m. August 7 2025 10th a.m. UTC. And how to participate. Step 1, visit the actual page. Step 2, complete task to earn changes to smash golden egg. Step 3, justifyly select a golden egg on a click the play button to choose the crack open it, win the prizes. Okay, thank you so much admin, join my live stream. Thank you so much cat live, thanks a lot. Okay, rules. User can collect trading balls and lucky balls by completing any of the following tasks. User can exchange the balls for reward 3 trading balls 1 LN. Okay, task 1 is sport trading during the event. Cat 1 chain for event for every dollars 500 LN sport trading volume or dollars 700 sport trading volume of the other tokens customized. Get up to 10 changes for per days through sport trading. Okay, and thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Task to invite new friends, invite a new friend, new user to registration, and complete signal and single single deposit of any amount in a LN of sport trading or future trading to get one chance. Okay, the invalidities complete a single deposit of at least 100 in any token or dollars 500 in a sport trading volume or reaches dollars 2000 in a future trading volume. The invite gets up to 50. A new user can be invited. Okay, task the user a new user bonds registration and complete a single deposit of any amount in a LN or spot trading or future trading to get one chance a single deposit of at least 100 in any token or $5 500 in a spot trading volume of dollars 2000 in a future trading volume get three chances. Okay, and task for launch pool cat launch pool user participating in a launch pool for the first time will get three chances during the event. Non first time participate will get it one chance for each pool. Each launch pool participation task 5 share with a win. Share this page with friends and invitees. Successfully log in the page and complete any task. The inviter can with up to $50. Each inviter's user can combine to a maximum of one share link. Invite successfully log in to the page and complete any task within a combined valid invitation. Okay, the number of people successfully invited reaches 5 people. Rewards 2. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay, and reaches 20 people. Dollars 10 and reaches 60 people $50. Okay, and total prize pool dollars 5,000 sorry 500. The prize pool will be added divided according to the ranking of the number of invitees. And notice all participate need to click the join now button and complete identification before the event and to be eligible for reward. Trading volume is equal to pi volume plus sell volume. User spot trading volume should reach $500 or future trading volume should reach $1,000 during the event period to receive reward. And next deposit volume deposit withdrawals and deposit are limited to the on chain and deposit only internal transfers and get code deposit are not included. And trading balls 6 LN collect lucky balls to separately dollars 200 LN based on the ratio of each user's lucky balls. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay. The total prize pool for the Golden Xmas event in a 2 lakh LN. If the prize that all users have drawn are lower than 2 lakh LN, the reward will be distributed in a full now amount. If the drawn prizes are more than 2 lakh and the reward will be separate based on the ratio of user price. Rewards will be distributed within a 14 working days after the event and can ends and can be checked in a history. Okay, the reward of task 5 in a get points. Okay, and user in the unlimited kingdom and other listed location cannot access the services including participation in this event came or completing. See the user agreement for future details on a registration location. Okay, cat team July 2025 gateway to crypto gateway to crypto um trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on a cat. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in a welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40 percentage commission. Stay connected. Visit Cat's official website. Download the Cat app desktop. Follow us on X, Twitter, to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discussion trading topics, and check our 100 percentage proof of receipts. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay. LNFI network, LN trading fair. Okay, trade and share dollars, 100,000 grand prize, and in days 8 over 6 and minutes 55 and seconds 40. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Complete the task and you will get more chances. Okay, G. Just one lucky balls x, just one lucky balls. Okay, one just one lucky ball. Okay, five balls. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Actually, rules. Participate can get chances to grab prize by completing any of the following tasks. User must visit the event page on the same day to claim their task reward. Okay. Sport trading, draw 10 chances. Trading view 10 and open trade. Okay, and draw 150 draw chances. Invite new friends, 0 or 150 opens and invite. Okay, and three draw chances. Launch pool open 03. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please follow, share. Okay, everyone. Okay, G. Three draw chances, launch pool, zero or three open stack, and zero draw chances. A new user bonus, open and registered, and a share to win. Open a share and notice, and trading volume, buy volume plus sale volume. Okay, G. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Angela, thank you so much. Join my live stream, dear. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Big thanks, dear. Please like, follow, share, Angela. Okay, G. Notice trading volume, buy volume plus sell volume, deposit it limited to on a chain deposit from other platform to get a now account, or buying crypto on a cat will edit cards. Fund for rested deposit among cat accounts will be invalid. Please complete identification before the event and offer receive rewards. Market makers and accounts are not eligible for participation in the event. On other with sub accounts and master accounts and multiple accounts with the same identification information will be remained as the same or user, while the trading volume or sub accounts cannot can would not be as that master account and sub accounts are not eligible for participation in this event. Okay, and get rewards all rights to the final explanation. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, how are you? I'm good, dear. I'm good. uh, Angela, आप कैसी हैं भाई? And thank you so much, Angela, joining my live stream, dear. Big thanks. Please like, follow, share, Angela. Okay, my dear. और मेरी डियर फ्रेंड कहाँ है भाई? शाइनी, उसे नहीं, वो नहीं आई मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में। जल्दी से उसे भी कहो भाई मुझे ज्वाइन करे। ओके अंजलाई। ओह माशाल्लाह, वेरी गुड अंजलाई। Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like. अच्छा, वो ठीक नहीं है, चलें उसे सोने दें फिर। अच्छा, उसे सोने दें फिर एंजलाई। हाँ, आप ही बात करें फिर, चलें जी, कोई नहीं, उसे सोने दे, रेस्ट करने दे उसे। ओके, LNFI नेटवर्क lighting plus NOR plus finance. Okay. LNFI network unlocking multi assist DEFI for lighting network. Okay, and community April 2023. Okay, dear, my dear sister Angela. Okay, and read link kindly. Okay, Bitcoin, RGB, and points distribution and claim. Okay, LN new sport listening LN USDT. Okay, and okay. Thank you so much, Angela, joining my live stream here. Big thanks. Please like, follow, share. और भाई एंजल, आयला एंजल नहीं आई मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में, और वो कितने बजे लाइव स्ट्रीम करेगी? ओके, NFI network lighting plus NOR plus finance. Okay, and hodlers. LNFIX layer valid building Bitcoin feature. Okay, क्यों आपकी सिस्टर है, आपको नहीं पता वो कहाँ है? Okay, 2,000, 210,000 LN sport trading. Okay, and following are successfully RGP. Okay, okay. Overview popular. Uh, okay, interface LNFI network. LNFI network and July 24th. Okay, and trading start 10th a.m. July to 25th UTC. Trading pair dollars at LN USDT, and get new listening dollars LN and LNFI network. Okay, new sport trading LN. Okay, and Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. शाइनी ने शाइनी ने कहा एंजल आई Sagura 3434 join my live stream. Thank you so much, Sagura. Hello, how are you, dear? And thank you so much, Sagura, joining my live stream, dear. Okay, thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay, जी launch pool. Get launch pool FAQ. What is a launch pool? Update on a 6/30/2025 and 3 300,696 views and like 845. What is a cat launch pool? Get launch pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT or other token to each hourly airdrop of a hot and a new coin with low entry barrier and a high APR. It's the unmated platform for effectively and capturing market opportunities. Okay, join now. How can I participate in a Get Launch Pool? First, log into your Get account and navigate to the Get Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Check the participation guide. Which coin can I stake in a Get Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the minimum page of each project. Please visit the page of a Cat Launch Pool to overview more details. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay, how many token will be rewarded? Hourly staking reward individual latest 1 hour valid staking amount or total pool staking amount multiply hourly reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshot of personal staking amount each hour and take the average staking amount as the valid staking amount. How are rewarded distributed? The platform will stake multiple snapshot of personal staking amount hourly and token reward are distributed to eligible user hourly endings and oh, how many token will be rewarded? Hourly staking reward is equal to individual latest 1 hour valid staking amount or total pool staking amount multiply hourly reward pool. At the platform will take multiple snapshot of personal staking amount each hour and take the average staking amount as the valid staking amount. How are rewarded distributed? How are rewarded distributed? Okay, the platform will take multiple snapshot of personal staking amount hourly and a token reward are distributed to eligible user. Hourly earnings will be distributed into user sport accounts. Okay, and when will the staked assets be remanded? After the user remanded in a advance or the staking in a completed, the staked assets will be transferred to simple and by difficult. If this option is unchecked, the staking assets will be remanded into sport assets. If the amount of remanded assist is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount to simple and the assist will be automatically transferred to sport assist. If simple and does not support the claim of the remaining token, the assist will also be automatically transferred to sport assist. Okay. Can I remain it by stack assist at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hourly and calculate the valid staking amount. However, every remaining MI result in the loss of reward. Please maintain stable staking amount to ensure a minimum reward. Okay. Can I add additional staking assist? Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share everyone. Please like me, okay? And thanks a lot. Thanks a lot everyone. Please like me, okay? प्लीज़ लाइक किया करें एवरीवन. आप लोगों के बहुत ही कम लाइक्स होते हैं. ओके ओके. Can I add additional stacking assist? You can increase your stack assist at any time. The more token you take, you stake the gather your proportional minimum reward. However, once the reward cap to reach, you will no longer receive staking reward. Can I participate in a multiple project at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stake in a different pools to receive a new token minimum reward for multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staked separately. If you only stake assist in a pool A, you will not be able to option rewards from pool B. Okay, you can stake pool A and pool B separately to option the crossing minimum reward of a new tokens. Okay, how what is the maximum minimum reward I can receive? Okay. The hourly rewards hard cap per user for each project is a difference. Once the cap is reached on a future staking reward will be granted. Please refer to the event announcement or the minimum page for the reward hard cap limited for each project. Will stake assist in the cat launch pool impact my VIP level? Okay, no assist staked in the cat launch pool will be enchained in the assist holding calculation for hodler airdrop launchpad and VIP. What will happen to my funds if the project is needed early? Okay. And hello dear, hello, how are you, Crypto Princess? And thank you so much, Crypto Princess, join my live stream. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share everyone. ओके जी, हम फिर से जाएंगे वापस. हम फिर से जाएंगे एडमिन के पास कि भाई आपने अभी तक हमें रेड पैक क्यों नहीं लगा के दिया. वाई. अभी हम उन्हें फिर से मैसेज करेंगे ताकि हमें पता चल सके कि वो क्या कह रहे हैं. अभी हम फिर से कहेंगे उन्हें. देखते हैं कि एडमिन जो है हमें रेड पैक लगा के देते हैं कि नहीं. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share everyone. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, everyone. Many thanks, everyone. Many thanks. Okay, and what will happen to my funds is if the project is ended early. In a case of early ended, your staking principal will be automatically remitted as soon as the project is ended, and your latest interest it will be distributed on the over after the end time. The interest distribution before the end it will not be affected about annual percentage or annual percentage rate APR, sorry, APR. When the reward coin is thus select stacked queen APR, total reward selected rested in the last hours total stacked multiply 365 multiply 24 over 24 multiply 100 percentage. Okay, when the reward coin is not the stacked queen APR, total reward listed in the last over multiply closing price of the reward coin of the last over total stacked multiply closing price of the stack coin of the last overs multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay, प्लीज़ लाइक भी कर दिया करें एवरीवन, और वही मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर स्टे किया करें आप लोग. ओके, इधर ही रुका करें, जाया नहीं करें इधर से. ओके एवरीवन, and thank you so much everyone joining my live stream. Big thanks. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Please like me. Okay, and thanks a lot everyone, thanks a lot. Okay, okay, see, how to participate in a get launch pool. Okay, launch pool पे आ गए हैं फिर से. Okay, how to participate in a get launch pool update on a 6/27 2025 views, 30,817 views, and like 56. Okay, and Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and an airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with a low entry barrier and a high PR. It's the unmatched platform for effectively capturing market opportunities. Okay, stake to earn now. How to join Get Launch Pool and stake to earn. Log into your Get account and negative to a Launch Pool app home, Launch Pool web click and Launch Pool. Choose closing the staking. Choosing the staking pool you want to join, click stake and enter the staking amount, click confirm and complete staking. View rewards in a reward history after successfully staking. How to stake to earn, how to stake to earn. Okay, okay, thanks a lot everyone. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Make 20 money. Join my live stream. Thank you so much. Time. Okay. More time. Join my live stream. Thank you so much and welcome. And cat user 28D3B952 join my live stream, and cryptocurrency join my live stream. Thank you so much. and get user 979A53D. Thank you so much, join my live stream. And get user F4 960AE6 joining my live stream, and thank you so much. Okay, and cat user A32F2 0B9 join my live stream. Thank you so much and welcome. Segura join my live stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, launch pool, and total rewards 291.0k. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Please like me, okay? And thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay, everyone इग्नोर करें जो है नेट की प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी थोड़ी सी. Okay, and total reward $291.0k. Okay, all for incoming one and 285, and ELP 997,658.44 ELP. Individual stacking cap 800,000 ELP. Okay, and cat GT pool APR 4.74 percentage. Total stacked 861,965.3 cat, and total stacked 861,665 GT, and individual stacking cap 2000 GT. Okay, participate. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, share. Okay, MBG total reward. MBG total reward 112,500 MBG, and staking period 5 days. Ethereum pool reward MBG total reward 80,000 APR 5.87%. Total stacked 49,797.086298 Ethereum. Okay, and individual staking cap of 1000 ETH. Participate, and MBG pool reward MBG 3 23,500. Okay, and APR 151,000, APR 1,510.08, and total stacked 651,953.62 MBG. MBG 651.953 6.62 MBG, and individual stacking cap 30,000 MBG. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. And ZK WASM total reward 500,000. Okay, and staking period 7 days. Okay, ticker Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Thank you so much. No time, join my live stream. Sky Falakin, join my live stream. And thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. ओके हमें एडमिन के पास फिर से जाना चाहिए फ्लैट पैकेज के लिए कहना चाहिए ओके थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन थैंक्स अ लॉट प्लीज़ लाइक फॉलो शेयर एवरीवन प्लीज़ लाइक किया करें ओके ओके थैंक्स अ लॉट एवरीवन थैंक्स अ लॉट Okay, जी taker total reward 2,400,000 taker and staking period 10 days and GT pool reward taker 2 lakh and APR 5.05% total stacked for 4,615,932.82 million individual stacking cap VIP 2000 GT okay and taker pool reward taker for 400,000 okay and APR 156.2 percentage and total stacked 34,654,511.42 oh my god बहुत ही ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है पता नहीं क्यों okay NERO total rewards 40 lakh NERO and staking period 14 days and BTC pool reward NERO 30,000 30 lakh okay and APR 13.14 percentage and total stacked to 415.245 08865 BTC okay thank you so much everyone thanks a lot please like follow share everyone और मैं थोड़ा सा पानी पी लूँ okay thank you so much everyone thanks a lot please like follow share everyone please like me everyone please like me okay okay जी and NERO pool reward NERO 10 lakh okay NERO APR 1,738.10 percentage total stacked 0 NERO okay and ES BTC pool Ethereum pool ES pool okay ES total reward 990,000 ES staking period 10 days okay and BTC pool reward BTC pool reward 500,000 APR 2.1 percentage total stacked 3,935.70529,558 BTC individual stacking cap VIP 10 BTC and Ethereum pool reward ES 3,000 300,000. Okay, APR 8.61 percentage. Total stack 43,390 49.03141349. Okay, and individual stacking cap $300 Ethereum. Okay, and ES pool reward 190,000 and APR dollars 200 5.37 and total stacked dollars 20 lakh 791,126.66 ES and individual stacking cap 40,000 ES. Hi Discovery, hello, how are you? And thank you so much again join my live stream, my dear, sweet and lovely friend Discovery. I'm good, dear, I'm good. How about you, my dear friend? आप कैसी हैं my प्यारी सी डिस्कवरी? और आपने भाई रेस्ट कर लिया, सो लिया आपने दिल भर के? अभी आपको पता मुझे नींद आ रही थी, बहुत ही कम ही आवाज़ निकल रही थी मेरी। जैसे मैंने आपको देखा कि डिस्कवरी जो है ज्वाइन हो गई है तो मेरी नींद जो है छू मंतर हो गई। एंड थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम डियर, थैंक्स। Okay, BTC pool reward 650,000. Okay, and APR 3.84 percentage. Oh, डिस्कवरी ने हमें एक गिफ्ट लगा दिया है, थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी। हम तरले और मिनते बहुत की एडमन की कि भाई हमें रेड पैक ही लगा दें। उन्होंने आज हमें रेड पैक ही नहीं लगाया भाई। चलें, आपने हमें लगा दिया, थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर डिस्कवरी, थैंक्स मेनी थैंक्स डियर, बिग थैंक्स डियर डिस्कवरी। ओके डियर, माशाल्लाह, वेरी गुड डिस्कवरी, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ डियर, बिल्कुल ठीक। ओके, और जी आपने नाश्ता कर लिया डिस्कवरी? GTNEKO total reward 750,000 NEKO is taking period 3 days and GT pool reward NEKO reward 500,000 APR 5.47 percentage एंड थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी आपने नाश्ता कर लिया भाई? आप अभी उठी है ना, मुझे लगता है, तो अभी आपने नाश्ता किया होगा। नाश्ता कर लिया कि नहीं अभी तक आपने? करना है अभी। एंड थैंक यू सो मच डियर डिस्कवरी, थैंक्स मैनी थैंक्स डिस्कवरी। ओके जी, GT pool dollars NECO NEKO 500,000 APR 5.47 percentage total staking stacked 3,032,124.65 GT and individual staking cap dollars 2,000 GT and NEKO। जी मैं आपका वेलकम कर रही हूँ। डिस्कवरी आप इस तरह से कहती हैं जब आती हैं, आई एम हेयर ग्लीदियम ऐसे कहती हैं ना आप, तो मैंने कहा अब मैं भी कह देती हूँ डिस्कवरी को। ओके जी, APR 4,509.01 percentage। Okay, total is stacked two million 106,380.51 NEKO and individual stacking cap 300,000 NEKO। ओके ओके, और डिस्कवरी मैंने एक और बात बतानी थी आपको, मेरी सिस्टर ज्वाइन हो गई हैं, आप कल से उन्होंने अपनी कल पहली उनकी लाइव स्ट्रीम थी, उनका नेम है क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस। ओके, आप मेरे फॉलोअर में जाके देख सकती है, मैंने उन्हें फॉलो किया हुआ है, तो आप फॉलो कर ले डिस्कवरी। ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड डिस्कवरी, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस नाम है उनका, ठीक है। आपने उन्हें फॉलो भी करना है और उन्हें सपोर्ट भी करना है डिस्कवरी। ओके, वो मेरी सिस्टर हैं, ठीक है डिस्कवरी। आप मेरी फॉलोअर लिस्ट में जाके देखिएगा, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस नाम है उनका। एंड थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी, आपने फिर से एक अगेन जो है मुझे रेड पैकेट लगा दिया है। थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी, थैंक्स थैंक्स मैनी थैंक्स माय डियर डिस्कवरी, थैंक यू सो मच। अब मैं किस तरह से आपको शुक्रिया करूँ माय डियर फ्रेंड डिस्कवरी, आप बहुत ही अच्छी हैं भाई, बहुत ही अच्छी। ओके थैंक यू सो मच, उससे सपोर्ट करना बहुत सारा। ये क्या लिखा है डिस्कवरी, मुझे समझ नहीं आया। VSN total reward 409,091 VSN, and staking period 7 days, and VSN pool reward VSN 209,091, and APR 936.59%, and a total stacked 2,646,154.28, and the total stacked total individual stacking cap 130,000 VSN। और इसका मतलब क्या है डिस्कवरी, इसका मतलब क्या है, ये क्या लिखा है, ANLAMADIM, आया भी नहीं है, पता नहीं क्या है, मुझे समझ नहीं आती इनका। आपका टाइपर कोई और है ना? हेला मैडम, पता नहीं क्या। क्या है ये डिस्कवरी, इसका मतलब तो बताएं भाई, तो मतलब बताएं इसका क्या है, अब क्या कह रही हैं मुझे। ओके, USDT pool reward BSN 200,000, and APR 101.88%. Total stacked 2,665,848.52 USDT। इंडिविजुअल स्टैकिंग कैप 2000 USDT। हाँ जी, आप हंस रही हैं। और हंसना भी चाहिए आपको भाई। एंड थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, प्लीज़ लाइक फॉलो शेयर एवरीवन। और भाई मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर अब दो दो रेड पैकेट लगे हैं, और आप लोगों ने कहीं पर भी नहीं जाना, इधर ही स्टे करना है एवरीवन। ओके, और इन जो दो रिवॉर्ड मेरी प्यारी सी दोस्त डिस्कवरी ने लगाए हैं, तो आप लोगों ने ओपन करने हैं। ओके एवरीवन, और प्लीज़ मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम से आपने कहीं पर नहीं जाना एवरीवन। ओके ओके जी, हॉडलर एयर ड्रॉप FAQ, कभी मीनिंग बताओ भाई। हंस के ना दिखाओ। And thank you so much discovery, thanks and many thanks to your Hodler airdrop FAQ. How about Hodler airdrop? What is the Hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT token hodler user only, named to hold and create an amount of GT to share airdrop token based on their hodling potential. Okay, and what are the requirements to participate in the hodler airdrop? Participant must complete an identification and hold at least one GT. Okay, thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot। रेड पैकेट के खोलने का टाइम हो रहा है एवरीवन, जल्दी से ओपन करना है आप लोगों ने। और मैं देख लूँ कि कहीं मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम टूट तो नहीं गई, ये ना हो कि मैं हाफ में ही चली जाऊँ, मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम भी टूट गई हो। And thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Okay, जी. Oh, thank you so much कि मेरी live stream नहीं टूटी. Very good. And thank you so much, everyone. Oh, Ayla Angel भी आ गई हैं. Thank you so much, Ayla Angel. Join my live stream, dear. एंड डिस्कवरी ने भी मुझे ज्वाइन किया था और आपने भी मुझे ज्वाइन कर लिया है. थैंक्स अ लॉट. Thanks a lot. Okay, and okay, what is the GD Holding Participation Limited? The GD Holding Participation Limited may vary for each project. The specific limited be clearly started in each project. Airdrop announcement. Okay, and how are airdrop token distributed once you participate in the event. The system will can begin tracking your GD holding from the share of the project. Okay, it will take multiple random snapshot every hour or calculate the hourly average. Your final reward depends on your average holding thought out and the event. Okay. Okay. Hello, dear Ayla Angel. Hello. How are you, dear? कैसी हैं आप Ayla Angel? और एवरीवन हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं मार्केट पे कुछ भी नहीं बता रहे. ओके. कैट यूजर 6571E19. Okay. And thank you so much, everyone, joining my live stream. And Ayla Angel, कैसी हैं भैया आप? And thank you so much, Ayla Angel, join my live stream, dear. Big thanks, many thanks. Okay. And can I participate in a multiple hodler airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold uh, GT token at each project snapshot time and a beat the participation requirements. You can participate in a multiple here order airdrop. Okay. Hello, dear. कैसी हैं आप Ayla Angel? And thank you so much. And will I identically receive token if I participate a user holding at least 1 GT claim? Can I 100% receive the airdrop proof? They maintain at least 1 GT at the snapshot time. How can I check my airdrop tokens? Reward will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project end. You can check anytime, then anytime under an hodler airdrop history. What should I do if I have received my token? If you did not receive airdrop token, please first check if you meet the participation. Create confirm your GD holding at least a snapshot time. If the issue participate, please contact customer support. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. How to participate in a get hodler airdrop update on a 6/30/2025 for 4,691 views, 4 likes. And hodler airdrop is an XLSC free airdrop event for user holding GD token. User only need to hold on less than 1 GT to claim free airdrop. The more GT holding, the more airdrop rewards. Okay, claim free airdrop. How to join a Get Hodler airdrop and a claim free airdrop. Log into your Get account and negative Hodler airdrop app click on hodler airdrop web click on hodler airdrop and select the progress project and click participation on to participate. Participation result can be reviewed view in the airdrop reward records on or the project claim page. Okay, and how to claim free airdrop to a toddler airdrop, how to claim free airdrop. Okay, and thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot, many thanks. Please like, follow, share, and okay, and okay, hodler airdrop, hodler gt, and get massive airdrop for free. Okay, receive zero point dollar 0.00 and calculative reward dollars upon 27.9 million, and total airdrop dollar 70.00k, total airdrop $70.00k, and participates 11.70 million k, a million plus. Okay, and all 275 in progress, 2 incoming 0, and 273. Okay, and thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share everyone. Okay, and as on total airdrop in a progress, total airdrop 266,667 SPON. Okay, and a participate 13,733. Okay, per GT 0.0987 SPON, and the time of one day, and okay, and NERO airdrop 5 lakh, and ERO participation 16,716, and per GT 0.8813, and ERO, and the time 24 hour, and LN total airdrop 500,000 LN, and a participation 12,077 per GT 0.1589 LN, and the time 2025 725. Okay, and XU308 total airdrop 4,474 XU308, and participation 14,463, and per GT 010013 XU308, and the time 2025 724 11. Okay, and NEKO total airdrop 500,000 NEKO participation 13,057, and a per GT 0.1525 NEKO, and the time 2025 722 13. MBG total airdrop 37,500 MBG, and participate 17,399 per GT 0.0114, and MBG, and the time 2025 722 11. CSKY total airdrop 4,400,000 CSKY. Okay, and participation 17,778 per GT 0.1262 CSKY, and the time 2025 721 15. VS and total airdrop participation 10,000 total airdrop VSPN 2 lakh, sorry, 272,727 VSN, and a participation 10,976, and a per GT 0.066 VSN, and the time 2025 716 and 16. Okay, ES total airdrop 60,000 ES, and a participation 9,803, and a per GD 0.0152 ES, and the time 2025 7 16 13. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share everyone. Okay, please everyone like भी कर दिया करें. Okay, okay जी. Okay, invite friends and earn up to 40 percentage commission. Okay, okay. Referral code. Okay, okay. Commission ratio, sport alpha features, sport 30 percentage your share, and friends you are invited share 10 percentage, alpha 30 percentage your share, and friends you are invited share 10 percentage, and features 20 percentage feature your share, 20 percentage invite your friends share 0 percentage. Okay, and data overview, 0 USDT, you have earned 0 USDT. Okay, 0 referral, 0 USDT. Okay, referral history, commission history. Okay, 2025 6 7 27. Okay जी, referral actually get referral per. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share everyone. Okay जी, हम टाइम देख लेते हैं. Thanks a lot everyone, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share everyone. And cat user 91691E48880 join my live stream, and beginner 88 join my live stream, and Perry 1122 join my live stream. Thank you so much, and welcome everyone, welcome, and thank you so much. Thanks a lot, thanks a lot. फिर से देखेंगे. Okay, time is over everyone. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone, take care, bye bye, and see you soon inshallah.